What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Chef Yarneezy, the Pip Master, wrapping up this week. Today is Friday, ladies and gentlemen. It is 12:29, about to hit 12:30 on the East Coast. So I'm gonna go right into it. Look, guys, I called a lot of trades this morning on the Dow Jones. I kind of want to let me see if I can actually show you the calls that I made. I don't know if this populates on my screen or not, but if you look here, this is the alerts channel. And if you look here where it said hit, he's on fire, that's me. That was the 80th pip that I called. And as you can see, I kept doing it, kept doing it, kept doing it. Got two more in, one for Bitcoin and one for US30. I don't know if you can see this or not because I can't tell what's being shown on the screen at the time. However, let's see. However, let's get right into it. So, US30, the Dow Jones, ladies and gentlemen. So she has fallen. What was the name of that movie? Something has fallen. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Anyway, look, my period separator basically said this was the mark for us to make a move, right? So it made a move, a bearish move. And if you look at what I have here as far as my trend line, my trend line, let's follow it down. Let's see where it goes. Okay, trend line. Okay, my trend line stopped. So it stopped about here or so, and then we establish a new trend. So the day chart basically still has it buying. I have it selling today just because of the news that was reported at 8:30. You guys all know to pay attention to Forex Factory, right? For news right here. The CPI and the core CPI came out and the market made a serious move as far as it made a buy or a bullish move um, towards the top. Am I saying that right? You know, I get them all jacked up, bears and bulls. I always get them flip flop, but y'all know what I'm talking about, buying and selling, as simple as that. So let's look at Bitcoin. I really want to concentrate on Bitcoin. Guys, I gave some trades for Bitcoin because look, my EMAs, let me play this for you. Matter of fact, I want to show you what I saw and and the reason why I made certain calls on Bitcoin. Um, Let me see, this thing is in my way and I can't move it. All right, no problem. Let me change. Let me move Bitcoin right here. Okay, so let me rewind it a little bit back to about right here before the cross. Okay, so I saw this move happening, right? I saw the 50 cross over the 200. Then I saw the 800, right? So when I saw this move, guys, I was like, this sucker's finna tank. So I gave a call from here down to 47855. I gave TP2 at 47,000 and TP3 at 46,702. I'm still in those last two. I'm waiting on these two to hit. But this is what I saw. Watch the speed play out. Cross over here. The 200 has to cross here, which pushes price down even more. And then it needs to spread out a little bit more. And I'm not going to give you all the sauce, but that's basically part of my strategy is knowing which way the market is going to move based on the EMAs, right? And what's going on with the RSI. So I teach this. I really want you guys to push this out to as many people as you can. Get them to me because I want people to learn how to do this, right? How you can do this successfully on a daily basis and make thousands and thousands of dollars by learning how to trade in this market, right? So Bitcoin, I don't have Bitcoin going back up until, see right here, Bitcoin is coming down, man. And let me look at the day chart real quick. Okay, where's the A? Bitcoin could come all the way back down to 32, y'all. It really could. And if it does, I'm here for it. Let me look at the week chart real quick. Bitcoin is at least coming down to 44. 44. It's already been here once. It looks like it wants to come back again to like 44,572, or maybe just a little higher when the 50 pushes up. But you know, this is its movement, and then after that, I'm predicting Bitcoin to hit bounce here, then go up to here, come back down to here, go up like this, and so on and so forth, right? Um, and it very well can do that, and it will, and it should, simply because that's market movement, that's market structure. You can count on these things happening. That's 70,000 at top line, just an FYI. And this is 78,000. Okay, this is just a rough drawing, but 70,000 is definitely imminent for Bitcoin if it keeps at this rate. But right now, it has to pull back. It has to reset. Okay, it has to reset itself. And the way the market does that is by going back to a normal state, going back to some place of familiarity, right? So when you look at the 1 hour chart, when I scroll this way, okay, do you see this zone? Bitcoin loves this area right here. So it's comfortable there, right? This is all the way back from 7 September. Look, I can keep going. This is when it really hit this area. 14 August, boom. Bitcoin loves this area, okay? So this is an area of consolidation. This is an area that I call like a zone where Bitcoin just keeps going through this zone. So that's why I'm really adamant about staying in this until it hits 47,000 and then 46,702. Let me look on the 1 minute chart and see what it's doing. And that's fine. It can be buying all it wants. It's going to reverse to pull back because on the higher time frame, it's definitely in the sell momentum. It's got plenty of room. It's in the sell momentum. Even on the 15-minute chart, it's on the sell momentum. 1 minute chart, it'll throw you off, right? But I want to hurry and put this out so you guys can capitalize on this move. The last thing I want to look at is, I didn't want to cover a lot today. The last thing I want to look at is my US30. US30 is going back into a buy momentum soon, but not right now. As you can see from the 1 hour and the from the 1 hour, 4 hour standpoint, it's sitting on a doji, right? Which means that can go either way. And I'm not erasing my trend lines, guys. So screw off, buddy. But right now it is pulling back, right? And it's pulling back for various reasons. Once it does a super buy up like it did this morning, it has to pull back. That's just a trying to think of the term. It's a term, and I'm really brain cramped this morning for the correct terminology, but it doesn't matter. As long as you know that I'm talking and I know what the heck I'm talking about, that's all that matters. She's coming back to right now 35,823 and pulling back probably to 799. I really have US30 completing this move here and coming all the way back down to my trend line. This is another trend line from a higher time frame. But I have her coming, see the line right here where I got an alert set, 35,734. I have her coming there, and if she keeps on playing, because she moved out of my channel here. I drew this channel earlier today. She broke out of the channel. I'm leaving it there just to see where she's going to go. Once she comes back, I believe she's going to hit this 628 before she decides to take a move, a real bounce, and run back to the north. All right, so that's all I got for you today. If you're in these trades, I would say stay in either way. If you're in a buy or sell, stay in because the gap is going to happen more than likely over the weekend. The way it's been moving today, there's going to be a gap on Sunday. So you can play the gap, but you want to play the gap when it's ready to move towards the gap. Okay, don't play the gap too early. Don't play it too late because you play it too early, it will run, and then come all the way back down for that gap trade, okay, or up, depending on which way it's going to be. But I believe she's going to move on down, ease on down the road. All right, that's my time, guys. That was a cover for Bitcoin today and a cover for US30. All right, that's it. I hope you enjoy. If you like this, please like, share, and subscribe. Tell your friends. I need more subscribers, guys. I need more people to get this knowledge and to learn what's going on in this market. All right, I'm your boy, Chef Yarneezy. I will be doing a live paid training coming up really soon after the holidays. So if you're interested in that, drop some ones in my chat. Let me know that you're interested in some live paid training, and I will be more than happy to teach you this strategy because it works on everything, right? Everything. That's stock. Strategy works on any stock. It works on cryptocurrency. All right. It works on everything. Like I can tell you right now, Box is still going to sail down and hit this Fibonacci at 25.89. And Box could go all the way down to 25.770, and it might hit 25.46, which is sitting on a support level. I'm telling you, this strategy works for everything, and I'm out.